Should you buy your next home before selling your current one, or sell first and hope the right home comes along? This is one of the biggest questions homeowners face when they are ready to move, and getting the order wrong can create unnecessary stress, extra expenses, or even cause you to miss the home you really want. The truth is, there is no one-size-fits-all answer, but there is a way to determine which option makes the most sense for you. Hi, I'm Wendy Gundry with RE/MAX of Santa Clarita. I've been helping families buy and sell homes since 1996, and this is a conversation I have with homeowners all the time. Today, I'm going to explain the advantages and risks of buying first, selling first, and a few other options you may not know are available. Let's start with buying your next home before selling your current one. The biggest advantage is convenience. You can take your time finding the right home instead of feeling pressured to choose something simply because your current home has sold. Once you purchase, you can move into the new home and prepare your old home for sale without living through showings, open houses, inspections, and buyers coming through at different times. Your old home may also show better once it is vacant, cleaned, and professionally prepared. That can make the selling process much easier. But buying first also comes with financial risk. Unless you can purchase the new home with cash, you may temporarily be responsible for 2 mortgage payments, 2 property tax bills, 2 insurance policies, utilities, and maintenance on both homes. You also need to qualify for the new loan while your current mortgage is still counted as one of your monthly obligations. Then there is the question of your down payment. If most of your equity is tied up in your current home, where will the money for the next purchase come from? Some homeowners have enough savings to cover it. Others may qualify for a bridge loan, a home equity line of credit, or another type of financing that allows them to access equity before their home sells. These options can be helpful, but they have costs and qualification requirements. This is where speaking with a knowledgeable lender before beginning your home search becomes so important. You should know exactly how long you could comfortably carry both homes if your current property took longer to sell than expected. Buying first may make sense if you have strong financial reserves, plenty of equity, flexible financing, and you are purchasing in an area where the right homes do not become available very often. It may also work well if your current home is likely to sell quickly, although no sale should ever be treated as guaranteed. Now let's talk about selling your current home first. The biggest benefit is certainty. Once your home closes, you know exactly how much money you have available for the next purchase. You no longer have to estimate your proceeds, wonder what the property will sell for, or worry about carrying 2 mortgages. Selling first can also make your offer on the next home more attractive. A seller may feel more confident accepting an offer from someone whose home is already sold, instead of an offer that depends on another property selling. But selling first introduces a different challenge. Where will you live if you have not found your next home by the time the sale closes? One possible solution is a seller rent-back. This means you sell your home and then remain in it for an agreed-upon amount of time after closing while you search for or close on your replacement home. Rent-backs have to be negotiated. The buyer must agree to the timing and terms, so you should never assume one will automatically be available. You might also arrange temporary housing with family, rent a short-term property, or place your belongings in storage. That may not sound ideal, but for some homeowners, a temporary move is less stressful than the financial pressure of owning 2 homes. Selling first often makes sense if you need the proceeds from your sale for your down payment, if qualifying with 2 mortgages would be difficult, or if financial certainty is more important to you than moving only once. There is also a third option, buying your next home with a contingency that your current home must sell. This can protect you because you are not required to complete the purchase unless your home sells under the terms stated in the contract. The challenge is that a contingent offer may be less attractive to a seller, especially if that seller has other offers without a home sale contingency. That does not mean it cannot work. Your chances may improve if your current home is already listed, properly priced, and receiving strong interest. It is even better if it is already in escrow. The details matter. A seller will want to know where your home is located, how long it has been listed, whether you already have a buyer, and how likely the transaction is to close. There may also be situations where your lender can help you purchase first and then recast the new loan after your current home sells. With a recast, you apply a large portion of your sale proceeds toward the loan balance. The lender then recalculates your monthly payment based on the lower balance. Not every loan qualifies for this, and it is different from refinancing, so you need to discuss the rules and costs directly with your lender. How do you decide which path is right for you? I recommend looking at 5 things. First, how much equity do you have in your current home and how much of it will you need for the next purchase? Second, can you qualify for and comfortably carry both homes for several months if necessary? There is a difference between technically qualifying and actually feeling comfortable with the payment. I want my clients to be able to sleep at night too. Third, how quickly is your type of home likely to sell? We need to look at recent comparable sales, current competition, pricing, condition, and buyer demand in your specific neighborhood. The Santa Clarita market is not one single market. Activity can vary between Saugus, Valencia, Newhall, Canyon Country, Castaic, and Stevenson Ranch. It can even vary from one neighborhood to another. Fourth, how difficult will it be to find your next home? If your replacement home has very specific requirements, such as a single-story layout, RV parking, a large yard, a certain school area, or space for multiple generations, you may not want to sell until you have located the right property. Finally, consider your own tolerance for uncertainty. Would 2 mortgage payments make you anxious even if you can afford them? Or would selling first and not knowing where you are moving cause more stress? The mathematically best choice is not always the emotionally best choice. Your plan has to work for your finances, your family, and your comfort level. Before listing your home or touring potential replacements, sit down with both your real estate agent and lender. Ask your lender to calculate several scenarios, including buying before selling, selling first, using a bridge loan if available, and making an offer with a home sale contingency. Then ask your agent to prepare a realistic estimate of your home's value, expected selling expenses, likely net proceeds, and a possible timeline. Once we put those numbers and timelines side by side, the answer usually becomes much clearer. The biggest mistake is waiting until you find the perfect home to begin figuring everything out. That is when people feel rushed and may make decisions without understanding all the risks. Build the plan first. Then you can move forward confidently when the right opportunity appears. If you are thinking about selling your current home and buying another one in Santa Clarita, Clarita, or the surrounding areas, let's have this conversation before you make a move. I can help you estimate your proceeds, understand the local market, coordinate with your lender, and create a plan designed around your situation. Comment "move" below or contact me privately, and we'll figure out whether buying first, selling first, or using a combination of strategies makes the most sense for you. I'm Wendy Gundry with RE/MAX of Santa Clarita, serving your real estate needs at a higher level. Can't wait to hear from you.